Welcome back to Primetime News. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has responded to opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Alfred Dawes, regarding the state of the public health sector. He argues that the issues raised were exaggerated. Amoy Harriot reports.
Recently, opposition spokesman on health Dr. Alfred Dawes accused the government of minimizing the severity of the mold infestation at the Kingston Public Hospital, KPH. Dr. Dawes argued that an independent expert study confirmed the existence of a mold crisis at the 250-year-old facility. He characterized the downsizing of KPH as a crisis that is directly impacting Jamaicans. Now, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has responded.
The opposition spokesperson on health has a habit of referring to every challenge in the sector as being a crisis. I mean, he did the same while the People's National Party was in office at various times involving several institutions. If you do the search, you will see. I would advise the public to be cautious about accepting that kind of hyperbolic description.
Dr. Tufton further added that these challenges are predictable due to the nature of the facility.
As it relates to Kingston Public Hospital, it's a very old plant, and from time to time you're going to have downtime. What we do is to repair and to replace and to fix the problems that we have. In this case, the operating theaters are old. They've had a few challenges with air conditioning, which we have repaired. Some of the theaters have had challenges with mold and leaks, which we are repairing now. And those repairs are expected to be completed over the next week or so.
At the same time, Dr. Tufton mentioned that interim measures have been put in place to address the situation.
For other operating theaters to be utilized for electives at UAWI, Chess Hospital, and Children's Hospital, Bustamante. While a facility is there for accident or emergency cases on site. So, what we're doing is addressing the problem. More than that, though, unlike others in the past, this government has a vision for a significant overhauling to create the new Kingston Public Hospital, the details of which will be outlined shortly.
Now, a media tour is also scheduled for the coming week at KPH. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.